Picked up an XPF file with custom CD or DVD label designs and need to print them? This is a project file from SureThing's specialized labeling software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and print these label projects. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value XPF file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A project file created by SureThing CD DVD Labeler, a program for designing and printing labels for discs, jewel cases, and inserts. Users create XPF files to save their layouts, which include images, text, and background designs, allowing them to reopen and edit or print their projects later. The XPF file is a proprietary, structured container that stores all project elements, including references to external image files, text objects with their formatting, and layout settings. This design allows the software to perfectly reconstruct the user's design canvas, preserving layers and object properties for future editing. Typically, XPF files can be opened with SureThing Disk Labeler created by SureThing. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system. Windows cannot read natively. Windows shows limited detail, so layout programs must open them. Your essential first step is the Open With action. Right-click the XPF file and select Open With. If SureThing Disk Labeler is installed, select it. If not, choose another program. Every app deserves a chance to open the file. If you are still having trouble opening the XPF file, do not worry. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the XPF file. First, opening in SureThing. Install SureThing, CD DVD Labeler, and use File. Then open to load the XPF project. The application restores the complete label design with artwork text formatting and template alignment ready for printing or further editing. Next, printing labels. Load the appropriate label paper into your printer, matching the template specified in the XPF project. Use File then. Print in SureThing and select the proper printer alignment options. Print a test page on plain paper first to verify positioning before using label stock. Finally, exporting to image. Export label designs to JPEG, PNG, or PDF format using File then Export in SureThing. This allows sharing designs without requiring SureThing software or printing through alternative applications when the dedicated label printer is unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.